In the blink of an eye, a casual encounter with wildlife can turn into a life-threatening situation. We share this planet with a diverse array of creatures, each with their own unique behaviors, abilities, and survival tactics. Among them, some of the most awe-inspiring yet potentially dangerous animals lurk in the corners of our world. From the vast plains of Africa to the icy reaches of the Arctic, from the depths of the oceans to the densest of jungles, danger can come in sizes big and small. These animals remind us that wildlife demands respect. It's not just their territory we tread on, but their survival instincts we provoke. They are neither evil nor malicious, but simply wild, living according to the laws of nature. Respecting their space is respecting life itself. So buckle up as we count down 10 of the most dangerous animals you should avoid getting close to. Number 10 on our list is the Cape buffalo, known as the Black Death in Africa. This imposing creature, with its robust build and menacing horns, is not one to be trifled with. The Cape buffalo's reputation as the continent's top killer is well earned. These behemoths are infamous for their unpredictable and highly aggressive nature. Unlike many of their placid, herbivorous counterparts, Cape buffaloes won't hesitate to charge at perceived threats. And, oh boy, when they charge, they do it with a force that can flip a car. Each year, more humans fall victim to these formidable beasts than to any other animal in Africa, a testament to their power and fearlessness. It's not the lions or crocodiles, but these grim reapers of the grasslands that claim the title as Africa's deadliest. So if you ever find yourself on a safari in the African plains, remember to give these fellas a wide berth. So think twice before getting close to this beast. Coming in at number 9, the polar bear, the largest bear species on the planet. A true marvel of the Arctic, these beasts can weigh over 1,500 pounds. But don't let their seemingly cuddly exterior fool you. They are far from friendly. In fact, these mighty creatures pose a significant threat to humans, as they often see us as prey. Their natural habitat is a harsh and unforgiving one, and they've adapted to become some of the most proficient hunters in the animal kingdom. They're not afraid to take on a challenge, and that includes human encounters. Attacks are not uncommon, and unfortunately, they often end in tragedy. These magnificent creatures are a symbol of the Arctic, but they also serve as a stark reminder of nature's raw power and potential for danger. So, if you're in the Arctic, beware of this deadly predator. At number 8, meet the saltwater crocodile, the largest reptile in the world. These giants, often exceeding 20 feet in length, are the undisputed champions of their domain. But it's not the size that you should be wary of, it's their hunting strategy. You see, the saltwater crocodile is a master of the stalk and ambush technique. They can lie in wait perfectly still for hours, even days, until an unsuspecting prey wanders too close. And when they strike, it's a spectacle of raw, terrifying power. They launch from the water with such speed and force, it's almost impossible to escape. This strategy has proven to be lethally effective, leading to hundreds of human fatalities. Whether you're a local villager, washing clothes by the river, or a tourist on a safari, if you're in their territory, you're on their menu. So the next time you find yourself near a river or a lake in their domain, remember, in their territory, you are the prey. Next up, we have a tie at number 7, the box jellyfish and the pufferfish, two of the ocean's most venomous creatures. The ocean, a vast, beautiful, but undeniably dangerous world. Among its inhabitants, there are two particularly lethal creatures that embody the phrase, "looks can be deceiving." The delicate-looking box jellyfish, with its ethereal, translucent body and long, trailing tentacles, is a creature of deadly beauty. It's considered the world's most venomous marine creature. Each of its up to 15 tentacles is armed with thousands of specialized cells known as cnidocytes. Each one of these cells contains a tiny barbed spear that, upon contact, shoots out and delivers a potent venom. This venom can cause heart failure within minutes. Now let's turn our attention to a creature that looks less like a phantom and more like a prickly balloon. The pufferfish, a seemingly harmless, somewhat comical-looking creature, has a secret weapon that puts it on our list of the ocean's most dangerous. When threatened, it puffs up, displaying an array of sharp spines. But the real danger lies within. The pufferfish's organs, especially its liver, contain a potent neurotoxin known as tetrodotoxin. This poison is up to 1,200 times more poisonous than cyanide. A single pufferfish carries enough tetrodotoxin to paralyze and kill several adult humans. The box jellyfish and the pufferfish are masters of their domains, armed with potent weapons that demand respect. They are reminders that the ocean, while beautiful and fascinating, is a wild place where danger can come in the most unexpected forms. They underscore the importance of understanding and respecting the creatures who call these waters home. In the ocean, what you don't see can indeed kill you. Now, we enter the realm of the small but deadly with the Africanized honeybee, the blue-ringed octopus, and the poison dart frog at number 6. In the world of tiny assassins, the Africanized honeybee, often dubbed as the killer bee, reigns supreme. These bees are infamous for their aggressive nature. Unlike their more docile cousins, these bees are quick to swarm and attack when their hive is threatened. Each sting delivers a venom that, while not particularly potent on its own, becomes lethal when administered in large doses. Imagine a battalion of these buzzing menaces descending upon you. It's a scenario you wouldn't want to find yourself in. Next in line is the blue-ringed octopus, an unassuming creature that lurks in the Pacific and Indian Oceans. They are small, with an arm span of only 8 inches, but don't let their size fool you. They carry enough venom to extinguish the lives of 26 adult humans within mere minutes. And here's the kicker: no antivenom exists for this octopus's venom. A bite from this sea dweller is often painless, but its aftermath is anything but. Paralysis sets in, followed by heart failure, a grim reminder that size isn't always an indicator of danger. Lastly, we have the poison dart frog, a vibrant inhabitant of Central and South American rainforests. These frogs are a brilliant display of nature's warning colors, a sign to predators and humans alike to keep their distance. Their skin secretes a potent neurotoxin called batrachotoxin, which can cause paralysis, arrhythmia, and heart failure. Simply touching this frog can lead to dire consequences. Each of these creatures, in their own unique way, challenges our perception of danger. They may not have the size or the physical prowess of some of their larger counterparts, but they more than make up for it with their lethal venoms and aggressive behaviors. In the wild, it's not just the big and strong you should fear. Sometimes, the smallest creatures pack the deadliest punch. At number 5, we have the black mamba, one of the fastest and most deadly snakes in the world. This terrifying serpent, hailing from the heart of Africa, is as quick as lightning and as deadly as the night. It can slither at speeds of up to 12 miles per hour, making it one of the swiftest snakes known to man. But it's not just the speed that makes the black mamba a force to be reckoned with. What truly sets this snake apart is its potent neurotoxic venom. A single bite from this lethal predator can deliver enough venom to kill a grown human in just 30 minutes. That's faster than most pizzas can be delivered. And with no effective anti-venom available in many parts of its range, an encounter with the black mamba often proves fatal. So folks, remember, when it comes to the black mamba, speed is indeed deadly. And finally, at number 1, we have the mosquito, the smallest but deadliest of them all. These tiny creatures, often overlooked, are the harbingers of a silent epidemic. They are not just pesky annoyances. Their real danger lies in their role as vectors for various lethal diseases. Imagine this: a mosquito no bigger than the tip of your pinky finger carries within it the potential to spread diseases like malaria, dengue fever, yellow fever, encephalitis, and West Nile. These diseases, often found in tropical and subtropical regions, have the capacity to cause severe illness and even death. Each year, these tiny assassins are responsible for hundreds of thousands of deaths worldwide. This silent epidemic, perpetuated by one of the smallest animals on our list, serves as a stark reminder of the unseen dangers that exist in our world. So remember, not all dangers roar, some just buzz.